right. Let's get it. Top floor. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so it's Monday. That means the start of a brand new weekly vlog. Today is the 12th of August, and I wanted to go ahead and just show you guys, we stopped by Costco just to grab a few things and just show you guys a little bit of what we grabbed. And more than likely, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and reheat these leftovers from yesterday for dinner. Right now it's about a couple minutes to 5 o'clock, so definitely hungry. We were trying our best to get in and get out of the Costco, but this is what I made yesterday, which was Sunday in that previous vlog. So if you haven't gotten a chance to see it, go check it out. It's actually pretty cool. So I made Parmesan cheese grits. I just heated up a bag of frozen mixed vegetables, and then I made some turkey kielbasa on the stovetop. So that's what I have here. I'm just gonna go ahead and reheat that, probably add in a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese, but it was so good. Anyway, we just got the essentials from Costco. Paper towels, tissue, coffee, because you know I gotta have it. And then I found these little steak strips here, extra thick cut. I feel like I've tried these before, and I was like, you know what, let me grab some of these. I think this is really great to break my fast with as well. But 98% fat-free, ready to eat, gluten-free, all that good stuff, which is great because my lower back has definitely been giving me some issues. So I'm trying my best to kind of stay away from a lot of the, what is it called? Like a lot of the stuff that has a lot of gluten in it. I'm just gonna try my best to kind of bring down the carbohydrates if I can. I say that as I'm about to eat grits, right? Anyway. So yeah, so got these, and I think we picked up some avocado oil, a bottle of avocado oil, and then some little sparkling waters as well. So it was a quick trip. We were trying to get in, get out, get home. But let me go ahead and heat up my food. I'm actually in the process of making my iced coffee as well, and I will check in with you guys a little later. All right, you guys, so I already opened it up, and I tried a piece. It was really good. Every time.
Sorry, guys.
But nice thick pieces. If you've ever had these, this is great. And there's definitely some brown sugar in here. You can taste it. But they also use peach puree concentrate. So that's pretty cool. But 5 grams of carbohydrates, total carbs per serving. Yeah, extra thick steak pieces. This is really good. What a great way to break a fast for sure. I went ahead and heated up my food. I have my iced coffee here. My food in my bowl. I had an extra piece of fish that I remembered it was in the fridge. I just kind of threw that in there as well. But that's my food. And then I also had a Celsius that I need to go ahead and finish eating or drinking. So I just went ahead and just popped it in a cup and added some ice cubes. And so now I have what's this one? The papaya?
Kiwi papaya.
Kiwi papaya Celsius. So it'll give me a little bit of energy to kind of, mill around the house and do extra stuff if I need to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So welcome to the vlog, guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I'm hoping that this week is even better. Let me just kind of give you guys a rundown of what's going on. So this week is going to be a lot of running around, honestly. Tomorrow, we went into Costco today. Tomorrow, I have my nails and feet appointment I need to get to. Wednesday, we're going to try our best to fit in a date night. Thursday, I have an appointment at 4 o'clock. Friday, I have my nephew Nugget. And then Saturday, I have a bridal shower to attend. So we shall see how we're going to fit all of this in there, all while trying to remain sane, commuting back and forth to work, and just trying my best to, you know, keep with the fasted cardio, and then also doing additional, you know, whatever additional things I would like to do, you know, when I get home as well. So I will keep you guys updated, but other than that, that's pretty much our week for right now. I'm gonna season that fish today. I did not get a chance to season it yesterday, so I took out some salmon from the freezer. It has fully thawed. I need to go ahead and season that up, and then we'll be making that. I'll probably be making that, like, you know, on the stove top, you know, just kind of pan frying or, you know, sauteing some of that salmon. But that's about it for right now. But I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday. It is the 13th of August. I'm gonna go ahead and make this fish that I marinated yesterday evening. I actually did a little bit of yard work and then just went ahead and marinated the fish before I went in to, you know, settle down for the evening. I need to go ahead and get my nails done. One of them came off today, so I need to get one replaced, nails and feet. But before I do that, I wanted to go ahead and at least get this salmon done and taken care of, and probably eat, because I'm really tired, but I am pushing. Okay, I am pushing today because I need to get this taken care of, and today is the only day that I can do it. So let me go ahead and get this started. I already greased my little pan here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that on. And the next clips you're gonna see are basically just me making the salmon. All right, so I will check in with you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so it is Thursday, or Friday's Eve. So Thursday, the 15th of August. We are literally halfway through the month, and we're just now getting in. It's a little after 5. It's like 5:15. I had an errand that I had to run early at 4 o'clock, so I wanted to make sure I made that appointment and got that handled and situated. And so now we're finally home and we're finally eating, and hubby is crushing the food. So we're having leftovers from Tuesday, which was that pan sauteed or pan seared, what was this called? Salmon. And then today my job actually catered. They did some type of natural food. I don't have the name. I have no idea what the place was called, but they catered. So I just made a salad bowl, and it is literally just, I guess, whatever their mixed greens are, some kale. I got some, like, the pickled onions. I have pickled jalapenos. I have, as you can see, Parmesan cheese. Tomatoes, they had some broccoli in there, and then a little bit of corn as well. But the bowl is pretty much just all kale and, you know, spring mix, basically. So I made a nice little bowl, and then I have my already leftover salmon that I'm gonna go ahead and pop on that, and I'm gonna make myself a nice little salad today. So for my dressing, I am gonna switch it up a little bit. Since it has some type of vinegary notes into there, I'm actually gonna use my like little fake Olive Garden, for lack of a better word, Italian dressing. So that's what we'll have with this today. And then I have my iced coffee. I didn't put it in my little tumbler today. I just have it in my cup. That's how quick I'm just trying to hurry up and eat. I have a Diet Dr. Pepper that I'm gonna have, a little mini one. And then of course my water cup for the week. So that's what I got going on, guys. I hope everything is going good. I was going to have my nephew on Friday, but I do not have him this time. So I get a little bit of a break, even though I absolutely love having him around. We have all his little play stuff, and so we enjoy his company always. But I will see him this weekend. I just will not have him on Friday like I usually do. So this weekend, Saturday, my girlfriend has it's her bridal shower. So I'm so excited for her. Congratulations again, Michaela, soon to be Mrs. Stokes. Mrs. Stokes. But yeah, so happy for her. Could not be happier for the both of them. So I'll be attending that on Saturday. I may not be able to get too many clips because of course I don't want to, show pretty much everybody, or a lot of people don't feel comfortable on camera, so I don't want to, offend anybody or anything else like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Sunday, I don't necessarily think I have anything planned for Sunday, but we're going to pull something out of that freezer and see what we're going to fix for next week. I know that much. But I will catch you all later. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. And tomorrow's Friday, so get ready. Bye. Hey guys, happy Friday. Welcome back to the channel. All right, so today is the 16th. Yes. Right now it's a couple minutes before 7 p.m. We are home. I actually just got up from a nap about an hour ago. I was so tired. This week has been super draining. But we're home and I am currently making some of these little real good lightly breaded chicken strips. So I absolutely loved these, especially when I was doing the low carb and keto OMAD, and these were really good lifesavers. I absolutely love this. It really made it feel like it was, regular food. And I get this big old bag from Costco. It's like a 3-pound bag from Costco. So yeah, so I absolutely love this company. Really like those. So I popped some in the air fryer really quickly. My husband ordered pizza for dinner, so I'm just making a little, extra chicken or whatever the case is to kind of go alongside it. So you can pretty much pair this with any type of dipping sauce if you wanted to, any type of dressing, whatever the case is. But yes, so hopefully these should be done by the time the pizza actually arrives, and then I can just kind of pair it together. But I hope you guys had an amazing week, and I cannot wait to see you guys a little later this weekend. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, happy Sunday. All right, so I'm gonna make some soup for the week, and this is a recipe that I found on Instagram. I am gonna go ahead and link it down below if you guys are interested. But I went ahead and just in my pan, I just did a little bit of avocado oil on the bottom so that the onions don't stick. And now I'm adding in a little bit of minced garlic, and I added in some salt and pepper just to kind of bring the onions up to a sweat. I'll be using 2 different types of sausage. One is the hot Italian, the other one is the sweet sausage, so the sweet Italian sausage. One of them just kind of came in a brick, and the other one just kind of comes already in the little casings there, so I'm just kind of taking them off. I found this little meat mixer thing, I want to say on Amazon. Everything's always on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it below as well. And it basically just kind of breaks up the meat so that, yeah, I can just kind of, it won't be super duper big or super chunky in there, but that it just kind of gets all ground up, which is great. So basically just kind of grind that up as much as I can, and then I'll just start adding in some additional seasonings as well. All right, so I'm taking onion powder and garlic powder and just kind of adding that in. I already added in onion and garlic, so plenty of that, but I'm just going to go ahead and season the meat up a little bit more. Some Italian seasoning and also some chicken seasoning. And the chicken seasoning is pretty much just kind of chicken bouillon, so I'm only using a little bit because the sausage is salty enough. But I just add in a little shake, 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 and that should be good. Now I'm adding in a little bit of crushed red pepper for just a little bit of spice, but just a little bit. A whole block of, almost said sour cream, a whole block of cream cheese here. And that just melted right into the meat with no problems. This will really help to kind of make the soup a little bit creamier as well. So I'll just mix, mix, mix and mix that in. And then we'll be right into adding in all the additional things. So I have some Italian stewed tomatoes. That I found at the local grocery store. So it already had the Italian seasoning in it, which is great too, but I'm just going to add that in to give it a little acidity and a little bite. And then an entire 32-ounce of chicken broth. I wanted to make sure you guys saw all the proportions and everything else like that. And this definitely made the soup, like this made the actual broth, which was perfect. I'm going to give that a good mix and just kind of let that simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Once that came up to a little mini boil, I'm adding in my cheese tortellini, the entire package, and this is frozen. So the young lady who did who I saw the recipe from, she said the frozen works best. And I'm taking an entire big bag of spinach and I am adding in that spinach. We are going to get our greens in there somehow, some way. I'm not playing around. So I'm just going to add that in, mix, 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 and just kind of get that in there and then cover it up and let it continue to simmer for another 20 minutes. All right, so now I'm going to add in a little extra something because you guys already know I'm a little extra. This was not in the initial recipe, but I like my stuff a little creamier. And so I added in some whole milk ricotta cheese. Give that a nice stir. And then I'm just going to put the top back on there and let that continue to simmer. Alrighty, here we have the fine finished product here. I'm just going to give that a nice little stir and that looks absolutely delicious. So here we go. Let's serve it on up. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So sorry I'm not able to get on the camera right now. I had a lot going on today. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of what we meal prep for the week. Oh yes, everything looks great. Right now it's about 5:40 in the afternoon and I'm about to eat the food that I made. But before I do that, let me go ahead and show you. This is what hubby made today. So he did, it looks like fried or, you know, like kind of like home fries. He did potatoes and onions. So just kind of did that up in a skillet. He also took out the ground beef and did burgers. So burgers and onions, that looks so good. On the side, you guys already know chicken is an absolute must for him. He always has to have a thing of chicken breast for the week. And then finally, he did onions, squash, and zucchini and roasted these off in the oven, which came out great. Oh my goodness, I took a few pieces already because it was so delicious and I wanted to try it, make sure it was good. And then of course the piece de resistance is the soup that I made. I actually found this little recipe on Instagram and I tried it out one day and I might have posted it on here before. I can't remember if I did or not. It's been so long, but it came out so great. I just tasted the broth. I haven't actually partaken of, you know, the meat and the tortellini and all that type of stuff, but I did give it my own little spin, which is I added in that whole milk ricotta. And I wanted to do that just to kind of give it some extra fat and some extra flavor. And it's already a pretty hearty soup as well. So that is what we have for the week. This is the food, but of course I cannot wait to actually dig in and have a bowl of this because it looks so delicious and it's going to be piping hot. Usually whenever I make this soup, because I've made it for people before, I actually do like a loaf of garlic bread on the side or something like that. No bread for me today. It already has the tortellini in it, which is, you know, pretty carby already. But I'm just going to stick with that. No bread necessary. But yesterday was great. I enjoyed Michaela's shower. I'll insert a picture as well. We had such a good time. She was so beautiful. And I am so happy for her and Dorian. And right now it's about 5:41, so it is kind of later in the day anyway, but I want to go ahead and get some food and then I can go ahead and relax for the rest of the evening so that I can start my new week tomorrow. But I hope you guys had a great weekend. I cannot wait to see you all tomorrow for a brand new weekly vlog, but I hope everybody's doing well and you guys take care. I'll see you tomorrow right back here on the channel, same time, same place. Bye-bye.